High-performance personal hotspot is one of the new functions you can enjoy in your BMW with an activated personal eSIM. It adds your personal data plan to your BMW and gives you the ability to stream YouTube videos through the iDrive display when the vehicle is in park. To get started, from the home screen, select Media and Audio Source. Then press the YouTube app. You'll be directed to the YouTube homepage. It's that simple. From here, use the touchscreen and on-screen keyboard to enter a search, scroll and make a selection, and even watch in full screen. Continue watching our how-to series to get the most out of your BMW.